Uh, Welcome back again. This time we are going to learn related to changes and mental process, speech and reporting. Changes, mental process, speech and reporting. Words can be used in the changes: adapt, adjust, alter, alternate, breakthrough, convert, develop, erode, evaporate, evolve, exchange, extend, modify, reverse, revise, substitute, transfer, transform, vary. So these are the words you can use in the form of changes. Then mental process, like your mental process: accept, analyze, assume, concentrate, evaluate, intend, perceive, presume, reason, recognize, regard, tolerate. And what are the words we can use for the speech and reporting? I'm agree, like agree, approve, compromise, confirm, cooperate, consult, inquiry, request, respond, contract, contribute, debate, express, inform, accuse, allege, criticize, questions, contradict, controversy, deny, dispute, object, oppose, reject, emphasize, focus, highlight, note, stress, underline, define, expand, following, guidelines, instruct, simplify, predict, project, argue, claim, declare, introduce, present, propose, put forward, state, suggest, chart, register, survey, according to, mention, quote, refer, report, source, illustrate, indicate, compare, conclude, contrast, implication, imply, interpret, bear out, defend, justify, support, journalize, overview, review. Compare and contrast, like compare and contrast: advantage, compare, contrast, distinct, evaluate, identical, outweigh, vary. Cause and effect, aim, condition, goal, origin, target, trigger, consequences, follow, impact, outcome, result, therefore, thus. Connection, word for the connection: associates, concern, concentrate, connected, correspond, reflect, regarding, relate, relations, respective, versus, indirect, integrated, interested, joint, logic, mutual, relevant, separate. Trend, what is the trend? Trends: dramatic, drastic, sharp, steady, steep, decline, dip, plummet, reduce, fluctuate, progress, shift, trend, exceed, expand, pick, shore. Time, for the words for the time: constant, continuous, seldom, forthcoming, long term, prospect, interval, phase, former, initial, preliminary, prior, sequence, stimulation, subsequent, ultimate, brief, pace, rapid, rate. Method, what are the methods? Approach, criteria, logic, method, model, strategy, style, subject, systematic, theory. Group and categories. Category, characteristic, class, classify, component, compose, comprise, consist, field, break, intermediate. Parts and features: aspect, feature, nature, property, quality, trait, value, body, fragment, layer, portion, sample, sector, segment, specimen, unit, structure, base, basis, foundation, fundamental, bond, format, framework, network, profile, shape and position, angle, cone, cube, curve, cylinder, irregular, oval, solid, sphere, spiral, diagonal, exterior, external, horizontal, interior, internal, neighboring, overlap, parallel, position, surface, surrounding, vertical, anti-clockwise, clockwise, cycle, destination, route, size and amount, capacity, percent, proportion, quantity, ratio, scale, minimum, minority, shortage, infinite, majority, maximum, multiply, numerous, substantial, sufficient, measurement, acre, circumference, cubic, diameter, dimension, hectare, mass, perimeter, radius, volume, approximate, narrow, register, standard, statistic, type of people, group of people, activist, static, inhabitant, observer, occupant, participant, representative, spokesperson, body, electorate, panel, partnership, negative qualities, ambiguous, harsh, inaccurate, inadequate, inconsistent, inferior, insufficient, invalid, irrelevant, overdue, stain, strays, tense, unstable, vague, vulnerable, linking words, elevate, furthermore, in addition, latter, likewise, moreover, namely, nevertheless, representatively, thus, whereas, while, whilst, study, bachelor degree, discipline, doctorate, master degree, PhD, postgraduate, scholarship, undergraduate, campus, department, faculty, lecture, professor, seminar, tutor, text, appendix, assignment, contest, dissertation, glossary, index, journal, text, graph and chart, axis, bar chart, chart, diagram, figure, flow chart, horizontal, key, level, pie chart, vertical, academic writing, bracket, case study, conclude, define, draft, edit, hypothesis, code, refer, sources, summary, terminology, thesis. Academic words are there.